the long version of what we're doing today. We've got these water strips in. We ordered these online. They've recently come. We've just driven around. We've got a sample from the dam, a sample from the creek, and we've got a sample from the spring. So the spring is up that way, and that's not touched by us in any way. There's a poly tube. The creek obviously runs, and then the dam has got a mixture of the rainwater and the creek overflow. But let's see kind of what condition our water's in. So all I need to do is put the test strip in for 2 seconds, count to 15. 2. Then we wait 15 seconds. Then we run it along this bottle here. I've got the count. 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, then we put our strip here. Okay, so you want to look at it at least over my shoulder. The first one, the reds, were in the OK band. The next one in the OK band. The ammonium is right. The mercury is good. Free chlorine is white. Total chlorine is... So this is pretty much... We are the first colour in the sample. Oh, wow. So that's uncontaminated. Look at that. So here's our test strip, and it's pretty much the first colour. Okay, so there is a problem. The problem is the pH is a bit low, the carbonate is a bit low, and the total alkaline is a bit low. I have no idea what that means. But everything else is in the green range, which is okay. And the hardness of the water, it's soft water apparently, not hard. And then it's only failed total alkalinity and carbonate. So we'll have to Google later what that means. But that is our dam water. Now, I'm no waterologist, but based on that, there's 16 markers here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 of the 16 were perfect. And the first 4, it's not even on the scale. So I would think that is magnificent. All right. So that was the dam. All right.
So we're just happy with the results from the dam. That's the recent rains that we've had.
Yeah. And if you're looking at them, the spring water visually is the clearest, as the creek and the dam from my angle are pretty similar, but the spring water does actually look the cleanest, as in no mud, because we know there's not a lot of other stuff here.
So this is our creek.
Now we're doing the creek one, which is running quite a bit at the moment. So we'll put this in here for the 2 seconds again. Oh, I dropped it. Oh, I've got it back. 2 seconds. Right, there's my 2 seconds with the creek water. Now we go to our little scale bottle again.
Not ready yet.
Oh yeah, gotta wait down. Thanks. Now I know you're going to say, oh, the jar was wet. It's just wet from the same water, so it's not contaminated.
Alright, go.
Alright, so let's put this down here again.
So this is from our creek.
So the creek, okay levels. Sodium is a good level. The zinc is a good colour. Can't even say that word. Mercury, not a lot of mercury. Free chlorine is 0. Total chlorine is 0 in the OK. Manganese is okay. The lead is okay. Copper is okay. Iron, hydrogen sulfide. Oh, you can read this. Just, yeah. So we fail the pH, we fail the carbonate, and we fail the total alkaline.
But do we actually fail it, or is it like it's in the OK mark? How to explain how that works? Is that green underneath means it's okay?
Yeah, yeah, that's okay. There's a bar under 4 or 5 different colours saying it's okay range, and the first 12 are all in the okay range. So the green, it's all within the range, or it's on the lower end of the scale. All of them are on the lower end, apart from these ones, which technically are not even on the scale, but they match up to the sample bottle, saying pretty much there's nothing in there. So I don't think it's a bad thing. So here we are, guys, the third and final one, which is the spring water.
Which is the essential one, the one that we rely on.
Okay. I poured that because that one was a little bit lower. Now we wait 15 seconds. Then we put it on our sample bottle. I'm very impressed so far, I think. Because 12 of the 16, it's been within the OK range. And the first 4, it's not in the okay range, but I think as the range go along, they get worse. They're not even in the range. They're like perfect, I think. But we'll do a bit of research. Right.
All right, now you can test it, yeah. How's the spring look?
Oh, look at that, magnificent, look at that. The colours, first one, okay, same colour. Green, free chlorine, total chlorine 0. Manganese, lead, copper, iron 0, which is okay. Hydrogen sulfide, okay. And then the hardness means nothing. It's just the consistency.
The salt.
So there's no scale. And then you've got pH. And this one...
Yeah, we're at the lower end of okay of everything. Of everything. That's good.
Yeah, I think it's... We got to get a bottled water and see what the bottled water, if there's any difference in the bottled water. This is fun. Alicia's just went inside, turn on our tap, which gives us the potable water, which is the water which Tasmanians drink, which should have some fluoride in it.
Some chemicals of
chlorine,
some, yeah,
maybe whatever.
It's treated.
Sorry?
It's treated water.
Yeah, this is treated water.
We should see a big difference.
We paid for this one, so, and this is what we've been using. So this is our potable water on site.
And drinkable water. This one we fill 10,000 litre tank of just this water. So I'll wait 15 seconds, sorry.
And then we've actually got a bottled water, a little bit of bottled water.
Just from the supermarket bottled water, not yet. Another 5 seconds. This should be a benchmark.
Yeah, this looks pretty great too.
No chlorine.
Here, the alkalinity, the top 2 have changed, and the carbonate. Yeah? So everything is okay. They're all colour matched coming up. And then this. Okay. So it's pretty much the same as the other water, isn't it?
Yeah, maybe the test don't work. So that's potable water. So final sample, this is actual bottled water we buy from the supermarket.
Count to 15. Oh, I wanted more of a result. Doesn't look like I've got. They're all pretty much similar, don't they?
Yeah.
Like, has that been 15?
Yep. So this is bottled water. I'm just surprised there's no chemicals. There has to be, it's treated.
Yeah, look, that's all pretty good. The blue, yellow and yellow. So that's pretty much, isn't it? The same sample. Well, the only thing I'm going to turn into a mythbuster here is now.
Yeah, so the only thing that we can see different is the actual colour. The quality is all the same.
Yeah, which is pretty good. So what it means is, if you think bottled water is tap water, well, you're right, because they're the same. And there's no chemical difference. And if you think spring water or creek water or dam water is any better or any worse, it's not, because they're the same. Apart from, as Lisa said, visually, you can see the mud and sediment and soot in these ones. As the potable water, which we paid for, is exactly the same colour as the bottled water, and pretty much the test strips are all the same throughout. So there's pretty much no difference, apart from a visual, between dam, creek, river, spring, potable water, or what you buy in the shops.